Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. Alright, so welcome to the video guys. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Alright, so I have Roblox on my computer, but how can you fix it when it doesn't launch? First off, go ahead and open up your settings. So head into the settings menu of your device. So just click on settings on your Windows. This is the Windows 10. So once you've opened up your settings, simply search for the apps. So head into apps, uninstall, default, and the rest. Click on apps here and then click on apps and features. So go ahead and select apps and features. And on this list, so I'm just going to simply scroll. Once the apps and features, scroll till I can find Roblox. And once you've found Roblox on your computer, all you need to do is quite simple. Just simply select Roblox. That's Roblox player. Click on Roblox player and then head over to the uninstall option. So just go ahead and uninstall Roblox from your computer. And once you've uninstalled Roblox from your computer, that way you can simply head back to the browser, that's to your browser, log on to roblox.com, log into your account, and then go ahead and click on the option to play a game. So let's say you want to play a game now on Roblox. So Roblox is now loading, get ready. You then be prompted to download Roblox again. As you can see, the prompt is on my screen to re-download Roblox. So what you want to do is just simply re-download Roblox and you wouldn't have those issues. Alternatively, you could also head into your settings menu. You head into the taskbar, and where we have Wi-Fi, simply check your Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to your internet. That could be one of the reasons why you're not able to access Roblox. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to check the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.